Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today in this video we're taking a look at another extension box, and this one is from Syska. I got this from local market, and for this extension box I paid about 350 rupees. Now this extension box is also available online and the price keeps on fluctuating, so make sure you're buying this when the price is lowest. So this is how it looks. This is the packaging. As you can see, these are the specification written on the box. It does come with a surge protection and a spike protection. It comes with a 2-meter long power cable, universal socket, meaning you can put in a wide variety of plugs in this, and it also comes with a 1-year warranty. And this is also very important, this particular model is also made in India, or at least what is company claims it to be. Now this particular model only comes with a single button and 4 sockets, meaning you can't turn off individual sockets individually. If you are turning off this button, all the sockets will be turned off. It also comes with a indicator which lets you know whether the socket is live or whether it is not live. So without any further delay, let's just take this out and see how it looks from the inside. And also at the back, let me just show you one more thing. The pricing on the box is written as 399 rupees. So that is something you need to consider as well. One other important information written at the back is that it only supports 6 amperes, and a maximum power that you can draw from this extension box is about 1500 watts. So there is that. So there is nothing much important written at the back, and let me just take this out and see how it looks from the inside. So because I bought this from a local market, he obviously opened it in front of me and he checked it in front of me, so that he's giving me a working piece. And one other benefit of buying things local is that the warranty claim is always a little easier. As you can see, the shopkeeper also marked the date, and as you can see, this is a recent date. I bought this on 15/9/2021 and he signed at the bottom. Now this is how the extension box looks. This is the color scheme, gray in the middle and white all around. Here is your Syska logo written here. At the back you can see same specification is written here. 6 ampere, 250 volts AC, 50 Hz frequency, and again made in India. It comes with 2 mountable holes at the back, so you can mount this on a wall. From the front, this is how it looks. This is the on off button. This is the sound of the on off button. So sound is decent, and these are the external sockets. The length of the power cable, they claim it to be about 2 meters long. So let us measure this with a measuring tape. Alright, so here's, I've got my tape measure. So let us measure the length of the extension cable. So let's start from here. So as you can see, it is almost 200 centimeters, that is 2 meters long. So the length of this cable is indeed 2 meters long. Alright, let us also measure the length of the extension box. So the length of this particular extension box is about 11 inches long, and the width is about 2 inches wide, a little more than 2 inches wide, and the thickness is just about 1 inch thickness. Alright, so let me just plug this in and show you how it works and what kind of plugs it can accommodate. So let me just plug this in. Alright, so I've turned this on. Let me just turn this on, and as you can see, this is how the LED looks. So let's start with most common things that people use inside their houses. One of the most common thing being mosquito repellent. Let us see whether this plug works or not. So starting with the mosquito repellent, and as you can see, it works without any problem, and the fit is also very nice. The other thing these types of extension boxes are good for is our chargers. So this is my Redmi Note 7 charger. As you can see, this comes with your standard Indian 2-pin plug. Let's plug this in, and as you can see, this also goes in without any problem. And as you can see, there is a little bit of bend in the mosquito repellent, so there is not enough spacing. It's just enough for these 2 big things to go side by side. Anyways, both are still working at the moment. So it was able to accommodate a mosquito repellent, my Redmi Note 7 charger. Let's try this with a local 2-pin plug. These are the local 2-pin plug that you can buy in the market. These are for your DIY or other repairs. So let me just see whether this works or not. As you can see, the LED indicator is glowing, and as you can see, the plug fits really nice. So this is also working. Let's start with something weird this time. Now this is my Nokia charger, and as you can see, this is the old style Nokia charger. This used to be available a long time ago, but these types of chargers are not available anymore, and it used to come with these small pin plug. So let me see whether this works or not. Let's plug this in. And also on this particular charger, it has this plastic insulator on the earth pin. So let's see whether it works or not. So as you can see, it also went in. Let me just plug in my Nokia phone, and let's see whether this is charging or not. So here is my phone, and as you can see, my phone is also charging. So all these things are working without any problem. And let's check one more thing as well. So let me just remove it, and as you can see, even after plugging all these things in, there is enough space. The only problem is when you're plugging something obnoxious like this one. This is really big. This is not something people usually plug in such things. Let's try this charger as well, and this is the widest thing that is available in my house. This is a AA AAA battery charger, and if it fits in this extension box, I think the spacing between each socket is enough, at least for my usage. And as you can see, it is going in without any problem. You can see the LED glowing on my charger as well. Let me show you a little close up, and as you can see, it also went in without any problem. So overall, the socket is indeed universal. It was able to accommodate a wide variety of plugs without any problem. Now let me talk about some of the good things about this particular extension box. Now if you go in the market, there are not many extension box available that comes with two main important feature. The two important feature being fuse and literally surge protector. Now it does come with a surge protector. I will put a picture here, and you can see that it comes with a metal oxide varistor, MOV, and the name of the metal oxide varistor that is used in this particular unit is the 14D471K, and the rating of that particular MOV is about 125 joules. The other thing is that whenever you see MOV in an extension box, it is mandatory to use a thermal switch next to the MOV, but in this case they have not used it. Instead they have given a fuse, which will also work. So let me just open the fuse and show you how the fuse looks. Let me just turn this off. So I've turned the unit off, and let me show you what this red thing is. So if you hold this with your hand, you can see this is a fuse, and let me read the rating of the fuse. So as you can see, this is a 6 ampere fuse, and indeed, as they are claiming on the packaging, that this is a 6 ampere extension box. So make sure you're not using something bigger than that. So the way you can put this back is basically, if this goes bad, you go in the market, buy a 6 ampere fuse, plug this in like that, and simply insert this in the way it came in, and it's going to work again. And also, if there is a sudden increase in the voltage, maybe because of lightning, or maybe the local transformer is malfunctioning, it will protect your equipment, no doubt, because there is a metal oxide varistor inside this unit, and there is not many units, such extension box available in the market that comes with those features. So for the price, which I paid about 350 rupees in the local market, and I'm getting 1 year warranty, I think this is a justified product for the price. Although the price can still be reduced, considering that it only comes with a single switch. I would have preferred an individual switch for all the sockets, because that would have been a little more convenient for people who likes to switch off a particular thing at a time. Anyways, for the price, I think it's a decent product, else it's up to you. So there we go. This was my video on this simple single switch 4 socket surge and spike guard from Syska. This is also made in India. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.